My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Hyundai Kona. This vehicle has done just under 12,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the screen we can get quick access to maps, navigation, button settings, radio, media, which includes Apple and Android CarPlay, and our setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as climate control. If we press drive mode, we can access our 4 different driving modes, which are Eco, Comfort, Sport, and if we hold down, we can access Eco Plus. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.